Hey guys, so here's an update with Tornado or what they call Tornado. Here's my account so far for the past 4 days. Okay? So nag-start na si F Club and ayan, I'm on level 6 and here's my account status as of the moment. So I've earned 103.50 USDT so far. And I have total of 15 partners, which is ito yung direct referrals ko. And there are 24 from my team. Okay? So, yeah, let's go to my dashboard. Okay, let's preview the F Club really quick. So, ayan, na-activate ko na yung slot number 6, which is worth 80 USDT. Okay? So, eto guys, hindi ko pa masyado maintindihan, pero we scheduled a Zoom call, ayan, with our partner from Indonesia. He's the top leader of Tornado. Ayan, he's my upline actually. And, yeah, ituturo niya no kung paano ba tumatakbo yung sistema ni Tornado. But for me, napakaganda ng system niya and very fair. Okay? So, hindi ko pa lahat totally maintindihan yung compensation plan. Pero, ngayon pa lang na-excite na ako guys para sa inyo. Okay? So, kung nagawa ko yung 15 partners na to, salamat dun sa mga nag-sign up. And please don't forget to contact me. Okay? Communicate with me kasi I'm planning on huge team building from this project. Okay? What I mean is, I will help you guys to get your 4 partners. So, dito, minimum of level 4 lang. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan na i-activate yung slot 6. Okay? Pwedeng slot number 4 lang. And don't forget to get your 4 direct referrals. So, direct referral is not compulsory. Kikita pa rin kayo dito guys. But you need to wait. Okay? Dito yung sinasabi ko na non-working income, yung global slot. So, congratulations dun sa mga nag-sign up na nakapwesto na for first 10,000 IDs. Okay? Nagkaroon tayo ng free na airdrop which is TOR token or Tornado token na magiging exchangeable yan very soon dito mismo no sa platform ni Tornado. So, kung makikita nyo meron ditong exchange. Ayan, napakaganda ng future plans ni Tornado. Okay? So, abangan natin yan. Yung first 10,000, kung yung ID nyo is nasa 10,000 pababa, meron kayong guaranteed free airdrop. I think it's 10 TOR token na tataas din yung value niyan kasi meron lang siyang limited supply. So, abangan natin yun guys. And ang maganda dito guys, yung earnings natin is direct na pumapasok sa wallet. So, hindi ganun ka bongga or kalaki yung earnings kasi it's been 5th day since launch ng project na to and ito pa lang yung earnings natin, no? So, hindi siya yung hyping. Okay, slowly but surely. At ang maganda dito talagang pumapatak yung earnings in USDT. Okay, so kung pupuntahan natin yung partners, ayan, click natin yung partners, i-display dito lahat ng registered members who registered using my link. And congratulations again to you guys. So, I have 15 here. And here are your ID numbers. So, meron lang isa dito na lumagpas sa 10,000. So, sorry naman, hindi ka nakaabot sa TOR free token. But, abot ka pa rin sa first lucky IDs na magkakaroon ng global spillover. So, pero wag natin asahan lang yung global spillovers, guys. And as much as we can, pwede tayong mag-refer kasi magandang project to. This is for long term. At ang ganda ng community, napakabilis ng growth niya. Okay? So, madadamay tayo dito. So, ayan, ito yung mga direct referrals ko na meron na din silang direct. Ayan, 2, 1, 2. Ito may isa. So, sa mga nandito guys, DM me no and show me that you upgraded your level 4 or slot number 4 which only cost $40. Okay, pag nag-activate kayo ng hanggang level 4, i-PM nyo ko, i-DM nyo ko, show me your screenshots and I will help you find or get your 4 directs as well. Kasi dito guys, power of 4 lang. Okay? I already have 15 directs and that's enough for me. The next direct referrals, ipapasa ko sa inyo yun guys. But of course, I want to see kung talagang dedicated kayo and willing din kayo na i-workout ito all out. Okay? So, those people here, yung meron ng direct referrals, Nakita ko naman kung gaano nyo din kaseryoso tinatrabaho si Tornado, and we're just getting started. Okay? Hindi porket meron na kayong nakuha ay hindi ko na kayo bibigyan ng spillover. So, mas priority ko pa nga kayo kasi nga, you're showing your dedication dito sa project. So, pa-priority natin kayo, guys. Ayan, at least dalawa na lang yung hahanapin natin, 'di ba? And congrats kasi ayan no, nasa 1,365 ID. Ibig sabihin, one of the first batch ito. So, first day pa lang yan, December 28, nakapasok na kayo, guys. Ayan, yung iba 29, 30, 31 at merong January 2. So, PM nyo lang ako. Ilagay ko na sa description yung WhatsApp link natin kasi nandun yung partner ko from Indonesia. And he is super hands-on sa project na to. Talagang seryoso, no? Yung top leader natin. My partner from Indonesia, si Andrea. Ayan. Pasok kayo sa WhatsApp group kasi naglalagay siya doon lahat ng updates and siya yung nakakaalam ng lahat ng sistema nito. And he is connected with the developer. Alam natin kung gaano kalaki yung community ni Tornado. So, siya, we're so lucky na connected tayo sa kanya. He's one of the top leaders. Okay? So, yun. Pagtutulungan natin to, we're conducting Zoom meetings here. And this is going to be a huge project. And congratulations, nakasama kayo, guys. Okay? So, balikan muna natin yung ating dashboard. And I wanna show you something. So, meron dito mga statistics. Ayan, yung live na level purchase ng mga members, no? Ayan. And, ayan, recent activity, activation activity. So, napakaganda ng platform, napaka-professional, 'di ba? Ayan. And, eto guys, no, total users, there are 12,532. So, makikita natin, ayan, no, there are 521 na na-add yata. This is today, if I'm not mistaken. So, eto naman total invest, ayan, 17,712. Yan na yung total investment ng lahat ng pumapasok sa system. So, abangan natin yung global slot na to, no? Pag ito na-activate na, it means ay uulan ng dollars talaga with or without invite. Okay? So, ito yung royalty balance, 3,542. Tingnan lang natin yung PDF later, aralin ko yan. So, meron din ditong mga ranks na i-accomplish natin. Okay? Ang maganda dito, teamwork talaga. So, for us to reach certain rank, kailangan nating tulungan yung ating mga downlines. Okay? Or yung team natin. So, tulungan talaga. Kaya, nagustuhan ko din yung project na to. So, pakita niyo lang din sa amin, no, na interested kayo at seryoso din kayong i-work out yung project na to. Kasi this is huge, guys. This is huge. There's a big community here. Puntahan nyo lang din yung Telegram channel. Napaka-active. And look at the numbers, guys. So, numbers don't lie. Ayan, yung stats. So, it means in just 5 days, okay? 5 days na ngayon, no? Eto na yung total registered members. 'Di ba? So, napakaganda nung simula ni Tornado. And it's also a breakthrough for us. Great start for 2025. Kaya, pagtulungan natin, guys. Okay? So, that's all for now with Tornado. And let's keep in touch. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.